Hi everyone, welcome back to Project of the Week. This week I wanted to talk about Supabase. So we're already on the stats page, let's take a look. Okay, right off the bat, 71% community contributions, which is really great for a VC-backed company. Most companies this size actually struggle to maintain community involvement from the open source world, but Supabase does a really good job of maintaining that. And also what's cool is they're really limiting their automation. So only 1% of PRs are done by bots, and about 8% of repo activity are done by bots as well. So they're really contributing to like a human-focused approach. And yeah, they've got a 100% review coverage, meaning probably that they're not really sacrificing quality for speed. And this review turnaround is about 3 hours. So they're taking their time when it comes to proper evaluation and maintaining that 100% review merge rate. And yeah, their overall wait time is about 9.5 hours. And their merge time is like 22.1 hours. I'd like to say it's still under 1 day. It's not the fastest we've seen in comparison to other projects that we've seen here, but it's clearly working for them. And sometimes going slower and steadier really does win the race, especially when you're focusing on a community and making sure things are working. So I also do want to compare it to one of its top open source competitors, Appright. Okay, so I mean, at first glance, it seems like these projects are completely different in terms of their approach. Like, for example, Appright reviews in under 6 minutes compared to the 3 hours that Supabase does, but their community contributions are only 37%. So both projects kind of take a different approach when it comes to their workflows. Doesn't mean one is right over the other. It seems to be working with both, but it's really cool to see the different approaches between both of them. Overall, it's really fascinating to see these projects and how Supabase itself has chosen community depth over development speed, and it seems to be paying off for them. That's it for this week. Let me know in the comments what project you'd like to see next time. Bye!